Healing your heart meditation. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a quiet space. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let your body relax with each breath. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine or your feet, sinking deep into the earth. Feel the grounding energy of the earth holding and supporting you. Bring your awareness to your heart center. You might place your hand gently over your chest to help focus. Imagine a warm, soft light glowing in your heart space. This light is the energy of love and healing. Breathe into your heart. With each inhale, imagine this light growing brighter and warmer. With each exhale, release any pain, sadness, or heaviness you might be carrying. Repeat and hold your breath 3 more times. With each exhale, release any pain, sadness, or heaviness. Now, repeat affirmations silently or aloud. I am worthy of love. My heart is open to healing. I release all that no longer serves me. Love flows freely within and around me. Picture your heart as a delicate, beautiful flower blooming with each breath. See its petals glowing with vibrant colors and radiant energy. Allow this image to bring a sense of peace and renewal. Think of one thing, person, or experience that brings you joy or comfort. Feel gratitude for this, allowing it to amplify the warmth in your heart. Take a deep breath in, filling your heart with love and light. Hold it. As you exhale, silently say to yourself, I am whole, I am healing, I am love. Take another deep breath in, filling your heart with love and light. As you exhale, silently say to yourself, I am whole, I am healing, I am love. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of healing and peace with you. Thank you for doing this short meditation with me. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more meditation videos, tips, and tricks to help you along your spiritual journey, all while keeping your crown on in the real world. Namaste.